contact with a test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of test. Okay, we checked all 4 systems, and there you go on modulation, all 4, and keying was a go. Roger, gear lock, we're here also.
Sleep on the chin, man, you better read the scouting report. You doubting this, so I connect with Mr. Alchemist, the soul assassin, straight blasting, bringing heat. You marvel at my connects, wondering why you can't compete. You're not competitive, you're more like a sedative. You put me to sleep with each line. Are you the bedtime kid? Yet and still, I remain crisp like newly printed bills and watch for those money-hungry Anita Hills. Lyrics are effortless, no matter how stormy the weather gets. Those who know me like Kobe say he's proliferate. The gifted kid, focus like triangular push-ups. Why you claim to be hard when you a buttercup? I fuck shit up, stutter step with action-packed act. Don't pull no crap, just hit the track like a fullback. Lead block, don't mistake this for no pop rap pop. But that raw deal fell, that real hip-hop. We straight serious in this, the thicker the weather gets, it's serious business. Focus daily. We straight serious in this, the thicker the weather gets, it's serious business. Focus daily.
I'm 12 inches, get under skins like splinters. Watch my blind side, catch your elbow to the dentures. Never drop dimes, I'd rather save expenses. Evidence under intense pressure makes key decisions. This track hits like Sunny listing for the Alchemist. Will someone give me an award, illest vocalist? I'll come whack when LL loses the hat. Better yet, catch me with feds when Jordan grows dread. I own scissors for clones, kill mics and megaphones loud. Be meek or be King Shamik, and do it to the crowd. Out for bucks on the daily like Chuck. Always focus, evidence, yo. Here's a notice of eviction. Time to leave the premises. This album is incredible. Reps are arch nemesis. I feel better cause I spoke my piece out the
Roger, 0G, and I feel fine. Capsule is turning around.